I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how I built a tripod floor lamp. The basic design of this three-legged lamp will add elegance to any space. To build your own, you'll need 3 1x2 boards, a table leg to act as the center post, 3 wing screws and insert nuts to connect the parts, a threaded rod, and a basic lamp kit. To prep the legs for assembly, first taper their bottom end by marking an angled line and then cutting it with a circular saw. Now cut all 3 legs to size on a miter saw at the same time to ensure the lamp won't wobble. Next, mark an angled line on the top corners of each leg and clip them with a miter saw. To finish the legs, drill a hole sized to the wing screw through the center of each leg, about 1 inch from its top edge. To prep the center post, cut the table leg to a height of about 4.5 inches. Using pliers, remove the threaded screw. To install the insert nuts, first mark the center of the post on 3 equally spaced sides. On a drill bit sized to the width of the insert nut, mark the height of the nut using a piece of painter's tape. This will act as a depth gauge. Now drill 3 holes into the post. Because my table leg had 8 sides, one of the holes landed on a corner, so I clamped the post in place to drill it securely. Now, using a hex head screwdriver, drive an insert nut into each hole until it sets flush with the surface of the post. Next, drill a hole that runs through the height of the post for the wires. To protect the wires and give the lamp's harp something to connect to, insert a threaded rod into the hole using a rubber mallet, and then thread the cord up through the rod. Following the instructions on your lamp kit, attach the harp to the rod and the wires to the socket. Now twist a wing nut through the hole in each leg and into the insert nuts. Rotate all the legs in the same direction to fan out the base. Once the center post sets plumb, tighten the wing nuts. Now apply a finish, add a lampshade, and enjoy your new floor lamp. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy woodworking projects and tool tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.